What up with it? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. Finna make it dope for you. All that good stuff, boy. I ain't know, but I'm feeling good, man. Feeling real good. Last night was a movie. Went to the racetrack. Turned up. Went riding yesterday, man. It was a long day yesterday, man. It was very productive. I might throw some clips. What little yesterday recap in the video. Just so y'all see, because I was gonna make another video, just basically just saying out with the team and giving y'all a little rundown. But I'm behind on all my videos, man. Y'all gotta forgive me. But I guess right now it'd be a pretty decent time to kind of show y'all my rap, which what I got done. I really can't show y'all like I want to. Got a messy garage, but I don't know if y'all seen my previous videos, caught a little snippet or whatever, but that's what I ended up finally doing on the rap. Went with a two-face design for right now, or whatever. Arctic camo. I did get my tire letters, just like in the one video. Got them, been had them. This all this been done for a while, man. I just failed to get y'all the video with me doing it and stuff. And I don't think I got any type of footage of it. But I don't know if you can see too good. Oh man, what's going on here? Oh my God, forget me. I probably can't see it too good, but it's like a metallic green, metallic military green or something like that. And I did black, metallic black. But yeah, I got the car pulled in right now because I'm gonna wrap the other side of it, or start wrapping it. So I'm gonna try to get that footage for y'all, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little progress updates as we go. But that pearl look good in there, man. Cutting up. Yeah, man. My time for some more tires already. Just got these tires too. Just got them. They look just like my other ones. But yeah, be responsible, folks. It's all falling off. Look at that. Money. But yeah. Y'all a little something. But finna grab all my pieces together and I'm gonna give it a good. All right, before I even start with that, let me give y'all a quick rundown. Rapping 101. I am not an expert. This is a disclaimer. I am not an expert, so don't go by everything what I'm going by. This is just from my experience. For when I rapped this right here months ago, and it's still intact, you know, I don't have no issues with it. It still look as good as when I first did it or whatever. And and I got flaws, you know. I'm not gonna be like everybody else and not point them out. You know, it's my first time rapping, so uh, it didn't just turn out good. You know, I'm still learning how to get the curves down and stuff like that. So we got a couple of doozies, you know, but everything else turned out good. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Uh, Wash it. I just washed this mug probably 2 days ago, and it really ain't get dirty. But I just took some elbow to it, microfiber cloth, shimmy, and I went to town on it again, just on what I knew I was gonna be um, doing on it. You know what I'm saying? So I cleaned everything real good, make sure it was dry, and then where is it at? This is what you need right here: rubbing alcohol. Take you some rubbing alcohol. Oh, there you go. And a clean. Listen what I say. When I say, cause it's dirty, but get you a clean microfiber cloth. You could get a whole pack at the dollar store for like $5, and it come with 5 of them. But get you a good microfiber cloth. You know, I got another brand new one right here. It's a little dirty, but I mean, it's brand new. I ain't used it yet, but just get you a good microfiber cloth. You know, get make sure all the dust off of it. You know, get the little shakes, but you know, ooh, that pearl look good, boy. Golly. But yeah, you wanna put the alcohol on there. You know, alcohol, fall, fail. But yeah, alcohol, meet microfiber cloth, meet alcohol. Y'all gonna be best friends. But yeah, put that on there. You know what I'm saying? Give it a good wipe down. All the way down. Put that elbow on there. You know, just do that. That process over here, you know, y'all might be acting crazy, whatever. So, hold on. Set y'all up real quick. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Do that. Give it a good couple shakes. And then dunk. Think it's good. Dunk it again. You know what I'm saying? See that? Make sure it's on there. And then dunk it one more time. You know? But make sure it's on there, man. You know? You want it you want it rather clean than dirty. So just go up there, give it a good wipe down. Give it a good wipe down. See, it'll knock all that excess stuff off. It'll make it clean. It'll make that pearl cut up. Ooh, yeah. Just give it a good wipe though, man. Y'all ain't remedial. Y'all ain't dumb. I know y'all smart. Just get a good wipe down. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I'ma do this and get back with y'all after I get everything prepped up. Wow. Back at it. Sweat everything. Clean. It should be looking like glass, folks. Yep. Checking back in. Just give y'all a little rundown on materials and stuff. What I'm using. Vivid Plus Premium. They work pretty doggone good, man. But these are my shapes cut out by me manually, no machine. This is what we got so far. Gonna just continue down the side of it a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Everything laying on pretty good. With a further away view. By YouTube, and then I'm back and I'm finally finished, man. I really kind of want to wait for another video to do the reveal, but I'm not even gonna do that to y'all, man. But I'm just gonna let y'all see it, man. Check it out. Something different. If anybody say they done seen something like this, I know you lying. I know it. All the rest is OG. Yeah, that's it. Just had to get y'all that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right now. But I can't really show y'all the process just yet, just because I haven't perfected it. So I'm not gonna have no video showing y'all how to rap, or me rapping a car and then y'all thinking that's how y'all do it. Cause I know this ain't probably the best way, but man, it's my way. So y'all be blessed, man. Y'all keep on doing what y'all do. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, browse, all that, man. Like him and like 40 folks say, man, we're going up all 2020. I mean it. Peace out, man.